Well, one of the first and best ways to connect with me is by just picking up the phone and giving me a call. Now, I just really want to really make it clear here that on Sundays, I do not do anything for the simple fact that I take Sunday out to kind of learn, become stronger, kind of gather my thoughts for the entire week, get ready for, a new week and everything. And here's the second thing I really, really want to make clear. If the only time you contact me is on a Monday, it's honestly going to be really hard for me to respect you and your business for the simple fact that I kind of consider people that only contact me on Monday morning entrepreneurs. Have you ever heard of a Monday morning quarterback? Well, a Monday morning quarterback means, basically that your stats look good on paper, but the performance was terrible. Okay. If you only contact me on Monday and you're one of these type of people to where you say I got my developer doing this and I got my guy over here doing that and I got this person doing this, if you put it on paper, yeah, it looks good. But the performance, honestly, we know is horrible in reference to, the only time you reach out to me to get anything done is a Monday. So I'm off Sundays. Mondays are not the best days to contact me. Tuesday through Saturday, I am open and available. Send me a text. Well, honestly, don't really send me a text. Send me an email. You can also, another way you can get in touch with me once you kind of send me an email or you pick up the phone and call me. Don't hesitate to call. If you don't know my phone number by now, it's 678-825-4155. Okay, give me a call. Not on Monday. Not only on Monday. You can call me Mondays, but not only on Mondays. Okay. But what we're going to talk about here is in reference to connecting is a little tool that I love to use called join.me. What I do is I come over here, I create this join.me code here. I usually do a one-time code. Me and my wife share this, and she usually has the link delegated to her. I can change it, but I ain't got time for that. I'm busy. So I just do a little one-time code, and then I kind of generate the code. Now this code is only going to last for this session, so don't try to use this code and try to connect with me because it's not going to work. But I give you this code. But whether you have a Mac or a PC, what you want to do is you want to make sure that you actually download join.me. So let me go to the website real quick. Join.me, not join.me.com. Okay, I get a lot of people that do that. You're going to frustrate yourself trying to find it, and you're never going to find it. It's join.me. So actually, I don't even really need to even log in over here. Okay, right here is join.me, and as you can see, here's a free trial right here. If you actually try to go over here and start a meeting, they're going to ask you to download the software. So that's a good way to just quickly, easily get the software. But if you want to join a meeting, you can actually join my screen from this from the web right here and kind of connect with me via the web, but you want to download the software. And the reason why you want to download the software, sometimes we need to flip it around where I can see your screen. Sometimes you're going to need to give me access to control your screen so we can get things done a little bit faster in reference to helping you out and helping us get what we need. Okay, so come over here to join.me, create an account, remember your password. Okay, and once your trial ends, the 30-day trial ends, they're just going to bring you back to the free level. I do have the paid version. I used the free version for about 2 years before I used the paid version. The only difference between the paid and the free version is that you cannot create a custom link. You don't necessarily even need a custom link unless you're using this heavily for your business. Okay, if you ever I need to view your screen, you can just go right to your application. You can just launch it up. You can create a one-time code, give me the code. I can see your screen via the phone. I can see your screen via the iPad. I can see your screen via the computer, and vice versa. The best way to do this is right through the join me application. Install it, make sure it's installed, make sure you know your password. When you log into the join me, when you click the little icon here, as you can see that it's going to automatically have me logged in. Right here I'm logged in under my personal email address right there, and I am able to do everything I need to do. So make sure that you have all that established. The second way to connect with me is through Skype. I do a lot of Skype, calls. I do take a lot of calls through Skype. My Skype name is website Candy, I do believe, or Freedom McFly, Freedom Portis. I don't remember. Let me open this thing up just to be sure on this video, so you'll know for sure how to add me to Skype. And okay, so we have Skype opened up here, and as you can see, you're going to look for Website Candy Incorporated, but my actual Skype name is Freedom Portis right there. So if you type in Freedom Portis or Website Candy, it's going to come directly to me. Look for this little icon right here, and we can connect. Here's my cell phone number right here. So if you want to call me from a landline, you can do so as well. And it's just that simple, you know, and you can see we can kind of connect very simply, very easily in reference to, you know, uh, kind of getting together in reference to doing everything we want to do. Chanel does only, I mean, we text every once in a while, and she does call. We do call on the phone every once in a while, but 90% of the time, she's calling me through Skype versus anywhere else. That's just her way of connecting with me. That's the easiest way for her. April Franks, she normally calls me through Skype. Anytime we do connect. Okay, so Skype, join.me, my phone, calling my phone, calling my number, picking up the phone, not necessarily texting me because I am the worst at texting. I don't like text messages. I hate kind of doing anything on my phone but talking on it, you know, honestly, and watching Vine. That's all I really do on my phone. So, you know, don't text me. Call me, connect with me on Skype. Make sure you have join.me downloaded, and email is the best ways for us to communicate, to build this process, to getting this process done efficiently, effectively, and as fast as possible. And you know, the number one thing is just make sure you communicate. Communicate with me. You know, call me as often as you need to call me. You know, get on my nerves. You know, because if you do, your project's going to get done, and that's what it's all about. Okay, no tweets. You know, you can tweet at me. Please do tweet in reference to the good job that we do for you. But, you know, all those other resources, Facebook, Twitter, text messages, I just really, it's just not a way to conduct business. And I'd rather just kind of talk to you. All right. So, I will see you over in the next little thing. We're almost done here. I'm trying to talk as fast as I possibly can, but I'm going to show you how to grant me access to your server the easiest way, especially if you're using GoDaddy. If you're using a different service, we'll do it through join.me and get connected, but I will see you over there, and we'll, you know, get that all set up.